Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off the JBL Wave Flex and removing any charging cable. Once done, clear a flat, well-lit workspace and lay a soft mat to protect finishes. Make sure you have a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and tweezers within reach. Metal picks can gouge the plastic, so use plastic first to avoid damage. Hold the case steady. Identify the seam where the lid meets the body, because that seam is where you'll insert the pry tool gently. You now insert the plastic pry tool along the lid seam and work in small increments to avoid snapping clips. Once you hear soft clicks loosen, rotate the tool around the perimeter. Make sure to keep even pressure so one clip doesn't bear all the force. After releasing clips, remove the tiny Phillips screws holding the inner frame. Keep them organized by size and location. When lifting the lid, do so slowly because ribbon cables commonly link the lid to the base, and you'll need to disconnect them carefully with tweezers. You should first disconnect the battery connector or any ribbon cables before working on circuit boards to prevent shorting. Once disconnected, you can access speakers, charging pins, or replace small parts. When reassembling, reverse the process. Reconnect flex cables, reseat the frame, reinstall screws in their original spots, and press clips until they click. This ensures a secure seal. Finally, test charging and audio functions before fully closing. If a clip cracks or a cable tears, stop and consult a professional repair service to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.